Hi guys. Hi Ate Daisy. Welcome to Morocco. Welcome to my hometown.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I was born here
When?
like 2000 years ago. Look at this two lady guys. We're looking for a restaurant. We want to have our lunch. Late lunch. Ay! The car is very fast. You see guys, this is the flood control. There's no flood yet, but they already have control. Yeah, they're very advanced. Like unlike the Philippines.
No, Bebe, saka na tayo dito.
See, even the road, they got the stud earrings. Ang ganda na kanilang earrings. Which one fresh? French? They want to eat French. French guy.
See? French. May meat lang. Pizza, ano?
French tacos.
Poison.
May carbonara o 60 dirhams. Pasta. Oh, have lasagna. 60 dirhams. Margarita.
Steak, baby, oh. Hanap ka ba ng steak, di ba?
Saan yung steak?
Ayun, oh. 70.
Oh, tara, tara. Diyan na lang tayo. Oh, dyan na tayo. Oh, there's a train. Beep, beep train. It's the same. Yeah. Is it the French restaurant? Yeah. Yeah, we want to eat.
Upstairs?
Why? Here? Drinking?
This is drink.
Ah, okay.
Okay.
We want to do both. Eat and drinking. Merci. Merci beaucoup. Oh, there's a butterfly. Look at this butterfly. Nagpo-pollinate siya. Hoy, isama mo ako. Luchin. See? Morocco is mainit. What a fancy restaurant. Three adults and one child. Tapos na kami kumain. Tapos na kami lumapang.
Baby, ano mo sa akin? Itag mo sa akin.
Ano ito? Hindi ako ano lang to, naka-record. See you on YouTube. Ilagay ko to sa YouTube. We're walking around the Agadir town. Swimming sila sa beach. Mga beach. Ang init. Me too. I want ice cream. See, may mga nagsa-sunbathing. May mga nagsa-sunbathing. Punta kami ng ano. Ganda ng kanilang sand dunes.
Compared to...
Oo, Turkey. So doon kami kumain sa Joranut restaurant. Yung mga blue. Paikot. Yee! Ang haba ng beach na to, 9 kilometers. Oh, thank you. Yeah, thank you. I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Yeah, it's Agadir. Welcome to Morocco.
What? Yeah, thank you so much. What are you selling?
This donut, Morocco.
Donut.
Look,
How much is it?
what price?
No,
This,
we just eat. So I'm a little,
okay, just
yeah.
no money, give me one free, no problem.
Yeah.
It's Morocco, it's good.
Yeah.
Welcome,
Thank you.
Agadir. Welcome. Have a
Thank
nice
you.
day.
Bye. See you later. Donut selling for one pound, like 10 dirhams, Moroccan dirhams. But I'm still full. Ganda ng ano nila, seaside. Lalakad ang mga ano. Say hi to my vlog!
Ilagay mo na yung ano mo dyan, oh. Paano ka? Sabi mo to sa ano. Diba sabi mo, I'm from the Philippines. Where are you from?
Kasi nga, interviewin ko dapat siya eh.
Ilagay mo na yung...
Malay mo, taga ibang planeta pala siya. Ayun na si Ate Daisy, nakaano na siya. Ayun na, maghuhubad na si Madam. Ready na siya sa kanyang ano, magsisimsot siya kahit malamig. Tingnan akong towel, te.
Ito wala ka naman tawag dyan.
Magbumuha na tayo. Na. I'm taking a video. Takbo ka na lang. Takbo mula doon. Tumakbo ka. Doon sa may dagat. Sige, takbo. Takbo!
Hindi, kawa lang. Hindi.
Madam, mag-swimsuit ka na. Ayun na isa namin kasama. Ka-swimsuit na siya. Ay, yung kanyang ano, inano na? Palda? Ang ano talaga nito na Lutsin? Maglakad tayo papunta doon. Meron pa kaming isang oras para maglakad. Sige, takbo.
Ay, bago tayo dito.
Sige. Malamig yung tubig nila, guys. Sige na, lumangoy ka. Parang nasa Langkawin lang ako. Oh, 'di ba? Ang sexy ng mga Moroccan. Nasaan na sila? Aking mga friendship. Lumubog na ako. Takbo. Come again, sir?
Horses.
Come again?
Horses.
What do you mean?
Oh, English.
Oh,
Only video available.
video no.
No.
No, only the beach.
The beach.
Yeah, thank you. Ayun na, yung si Lucien. Gusto niya talaga nakahubad siya.